Welcome to our channel, where we explore the secrets to living a healthy and fulfilling life. Today, we are diving into the 20 powerful medicines you can incorporate into your daily routine to promote wellness and vitality. These practices are not only beneficial for your physical health, but also for your mental and emotional well-being. So, let's get started. Regular physical activity can improve cardiovascular health, muscle strength, and mental well-being. Some research suggests intermittent fasting may have health benefits such as weight management and improved metabolic health. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides essential nutrients for overall health. Laughing can reduce stress hormones and improve mood. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants which support various bodily functions. Quality sleep is essential for physical and mental restoration, as well as overall health. Sun exposure helps the body produce vitamin D, which is important for bone health and immune function. Positive relationships and social connections contribute to emotional well-being. Self-compassion and self-care are important aspects of mental health. Practicing gratitude can improve psychological well-being and resilience. Forgiveness and letting go of grudges can reduce stress and improve mental health. Mindfulness practices like meditation can reduce stress and promote emotional balance. Engaging in spiritual practices can provide comfort and support mental well-being for some individuals. Eating balanced meals in appropriate portions supports overall health and prevents chronic diseases. A positive mindset and optimism can improve resilience and overall well-being. For many, faith can provide strength, comfort, and a sense of purpose. Having a supportive network of friends and loved ones is important for mental and emotional health. Letting go of resentment and practicing forgiveness can improve mental health and relationships. Drinking enough water is essential for maintaining hydration and supporting bodily functions. Managing stress and cultivating inner peace can promote overall well-being. And there you have it. 20 powerful medicines that can transform your life and elevate your well-being. Incorporate these practices into your daily routine and watch as your health flourishes from the inside out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on living your best life. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.